Hello, everyone. Richard C. Wilson here, founder of the investor club called Family Office Club. We have about 3,000 investors in our community. I wanted to share with you some of our top investment mandates of our most active investor clients right now. We're seeing strong demand for medical and healthcare operating businesses with $500,000 a year or more in profits and multiple medical locations, subscription businesses, recurring revenue platforms, Amazon-based or direct-to-consumer businesses, car wash investments, dental practices or DSOs, parking lots or garages, RV storage assets, and hard money loans. We also have consistent demand for businesses in general with strong revenues and profits who want strategic investors who can add value and capital and open doors or help with distribution and help you grow faster and not just provide capital. And we also, through our investorresidences.com Airbnb investment division, are seeking short-term rental properties that we could purchase from you or invest into based in Hawaii, Sedona, or Lake Tahoe, or other top 50 vacation destinations. If you own a property and you're open to selling a percentage of it for a partial or full exit, please let our team know. Finally, please don't forget about our exclusive interviews being done at billionaires.com with 1 billion plus net worth individuals. And we're also getting ready to launch our $1 billion plus in assets under management club for real estate firms and investors who have over $1 billion worth of assets that want to seek co-GP, JV partners or deal flow in the real estate industry. So I hope to see you live at one of our 15 events soon. And I'm hopeful that this update on our active investment mandates is helpful in bringing in more traction with our investors and potentially with you directly. So come up and shake my hand and say hi at one of our next events. We've got one coming up real soon here in New York City with 1,000 plus professionals at it, 50 speakers on stage, including 2 billionaires. And then we have our annual event coming up with 1,500 professionals attending, 150 speakers on stage, and they're both going to be awesome events. So I'll see you soon.